So I have something a little different for today's vlog video. I wanted to share what I've been replacing like my morning or afternoon iced coffee with, and it's this Javvy protein coffee, or Profi if you want to call it that. 10 grams of protein per serving, and a serving is 1 scoop and only 70 calories, and you can get up to 20 grams per serving if you want to add 2 scoops to your coffee. So the first step, it says, is to fill 6 ounces in a cup of like milk, water, or a dairy alternative. I'm going to be using almond milk. I like to use almond milk because that is going to be lower calorie. I think it's like 30 calories a cup, so that would make this like 100 calories for my if I use like 1 cup and a scoop of this. And after you shake it, or you can use, like, I have a little here it is, this little blender thing. You can blend it up and then you put your ice in. So this is iced coffee, so not hot coffee or anything like that. But I love the fact that you can get so much protein in just 1 cup of coffee. So it says here you can like scan for more recipes and everything like that. But I've been using this for a few days now and it's working out great. It tastes great too, so no weird like proteiny aftertaste, at least in my opinion. Tastes delicious. I'm gonna go and show you how I make mine right now though. Okay, so that is a lot. I did like 1.5 cups. That looks like a lot of almond milk right there actually. But like I said, the almond milk is only like 30 calories, at least the one I get. So I'm gonna do, I think still though, just 1 scoop, maybe kind of a heaping scoop. And then we can go ahead and use the blender, the little blender. So a few more things that I wanted to tell you about this Javvy is that it has no additives like fake sugars or stevia or any of that. And it's made from 100% real coffee. So I am trying to do a calorie deficit right now in my diet every day. So this is something that makes that really easy to do too. So 1 scoop, only 70 calories. You could use this just with water if you wanted to and have no additional calories. And it tastes so nice and sweet. So you do not need any added sugar in my opinion. Now if you wanted to, you could add like foam on top and stuff like that, I think would be fun and delicious, but this is definitely perfect enough on its own. So yeah, I haven't noticed any weird like chalky aftertaste. No like that like protein taste. It's not that great. Haven't noticed any of that with this either. And I'm not a doctor or like a dietitian or anything like that, of course, obviously. But I know that supposedly protein is supposed to make you feel fuller for longer, and I've at least noticed that to be the case. So to add protein to my coffee just seems like a win-win to me. Oh, and then caffeine-wise, this is 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. So yeah, I think this kind of helps with your appetite, craving sweets or anything like that, because it's already kind of sweet, but you're getting your protein in. That also helps with appetite and craving and all of that as well. And of course you have the 80 milligrams of caffeine for your energy. So all around, I think a really good substitute for my morning coffee. So I'm gonna try to link everything in the description box, so be sure to check out Javvy. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried their other coffees before, like their liquid concentrate, because that is definitely delicious too. But I was really excited to try this out because of the protein. Really cool, and I love it so far. So I wanted to show an example of using this with regular whole milk. It is 6 o'clock in the evening, so instead of a replacement for my morning coffee, I'm going to be using this for a kind of like a later night slump pick me up, because I still have more work to do, filming and editing and all kinds of things. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself scoop of this and 8 ounces of whole milk, and it's gonna be kind of a little pick-me-up until I get around to having my dinner even later. So of course you can use this at any time of the day you want, and this is a perfect example of that. And I think this is gonna be really great with the milk. I've got my little wand to mix everything again. And then of course I'll add some ice as usual. But I definitely love using whole milk. Almond milk is also great, but whole milk just has such a rich, great taste with iced coffees, even warm coffee. Oh, so that just looks so nice and creamy and rich. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice to this though as well. And another way that I could see using this is I like to pack my lunches. It saves money and also time, so I could see just preparing this before I leave home. I live kind of far away from town, so this is great for me to just go ahead and pre-make this. Look at how delicious. Oh, that looks so good. And then when I use that blender, it makes it extra nice and frothy too. Looking forward to this. So good. I'm not seeing any clumps or anything like that in this. Remember, as I said before, 10 grams of protein in this. So this is gonna help me to feel full until I can get around to having the time to make dinner or something like that. And then I also want to try this with water one day. I haven't done that yet, but so far I've tried it with milk and with almond milk, and both are delicious. But like I said, I do think it's hard to beat just regular milk. This has such good like froth. It like frothed it when I used that blender. And of course, like I said, you could just use a shaker, shake it in an enclosed container or something like that, and then take it with you on the go, and it's so delicious. So I'm gonna have everything linked in my description box so you can check this out for yourself. Definitely try it if you're looking for more energy, more protein, if you're going on a diet, if you're not going on a diet, if you just love coffee, definitely give the Javvy Proffee a try.